how social media automation can help your business. Social media has become a vital part of digital marketing campaign. With more than two-thirds of American adults active on social network, it's hard to ignore the potential of reaching and engaging customers. For most companies, whether or not to use social media isn't a tough decision. It's more a question of which network to use and the amount of time and resources you can devote to social media marketing. This can be a part of challenge for small businesses. The benefits of social media aren't as easy to track as other marketing campaigns such as pay-per-click advertising, but it is a valuable way to boost search engine ranking and visibility and drive engagement among customers. And a recent survey by HubSpot found that more than half of the marketers had found leads through Facebook in the last year, while 43% of them through LinkedIn and blog. Social media is also a way to present your brand image, whether you want to show its friendly or quickly side or promote a specialist expertise. But how can you reap the benefit without making a serious dent in your time and productivity? A degree of social media automation is the answer. While there is no substitute to responding the messages prominently and reacting to recent events, you can still schedule much of your content ahead of time. Try using tools such as Hootsuite, Sprout Social or Buffer to schedule regular posts to your Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus and LinkedIn account. If you make sure that your content will still be relevant in a few days' time, this is an easy way to maintain visibility. If you have already put in effort to write a company's blog, then why not make your blog post work harder? If you use WordPress, then you can use auto-publishing plugin such as Jetpack Publicize to post them to social network including Tumblr and Yahoo. For even wider coverage, you might want to consider a tool such as NextScript. Social network auto poster which support Pinterest, YouTube and 16 other networks. When you come across interesting content from other sources, ask yourself if your followers and potential customers will find it funny, entertaining or useful. If the answer is yes to one of these three, then keep it in the file and share it across your social network. Finding the right balance. It can be tricky finding a balance between a hand-on approach to social media and automation. And it's not hard to find examples of where automation can go wrong. Last year, the NRA apologized after sending an incentives tweet following the mass shooting in Aurora, Colorado. Unsurprisingly, the tweet had been scheduled in advance. Clearly, automation should not being completely hand off. If you are using a good system to organize your posting schedule, it should be easy to avoid any potential for a pass. And of course, you'll also want to add content with a more personal touch as well as answer question and enter into conversion. After all, it is meant to be social. There is one area where you should not cut corners. Automatic replies can be massive turn off to users. So take time to deal with this personally and send out replies that shows your company's human side. It might be time consuming, but treating customers as individuals is one of the best way to keep them coming back. While it can be tempting to use auto-following software, this is best avoided. Try to be selective about who you choose to follow and what you share from different accounts. This will help you maintain a consistent brand image. Duplicating and reusing content across platforms is a way to make it work harder, but balance this with customized posts that can be tailored to specific audience. It's worth doing a little homework to find out a little about the demographic of different users. For example, the majority of Pinterest users are women aged between 25 and 64. And the LinkedIn user tend to use the site for business networking and looking for a job. The key is to automate routine tasks and reuse content as far as possible. By combining social media automation with a personal touch, you can maximize its benefit while saving time and effort. Thanking you. For more information, log on to www.ideastack.com.